Hello student, today we have to learn about the parthenocarpy and the polyembryony. Let's discuss first of all parthenocarpy. What is parthenocarpy? Parthenocarpy is the development of fruit without fertilization is known as parthenocarpy. Generally, as we know, fruit is developed after fertilization, but this condition where fruit is developed without fertilization. Example is here, parthenocarpic fruits are banana, pineapple, papaya. First of all, this term was coined by Knoll. Now how parthenocarpic fruit will develop? The placental tissue of the unfertilized ovule is responsible for production of auxin hormone, that is indole acetic acid. This indole acetic acid is responsible for the enlargement of the ovary into the fruit. Now this fruit is obviously seedless, but this fruit is generally resemble to the normal type of the fruit. So this is the all about the parthenocarpic fruit. Now let us discuss polyembryony. First of all, what is polyembryony? Development of more than one embryo inside the seed, the condition is known as the polyembryony. This term first coined by Leeuwenhoek. Now, how polyembryony condition is created? The arisement of more than one embryo is the result of development and differentiation of various maternal tissue or the zygotic tissue which is associated with the ovule of the seed. Now, there are the two types of the polyembryony, true polyembryony and the false polyembryony. Let's discuss first of all true polyembryony. In this condition, arisement of more than one embryo takes place in the same embryo sac or the single embryo sac. Condition is called true polyembryony. On the other hand, the false polyembryony. In this condition, arisement of more than one embryo takes place in the many embryo sac of the same ovule. Condition is called false polyembryony. Now, next is the reason of the polyembryony. Let's discuss one by one. First result, we have to discuss adventive polyembryony. What happened into the adventive polyembryony? In this condition, the diploid nucellar cell or the integument directly develop into the embryo. Condition is known as the adventive polyembryony. Next is there is a cleavage polyembryony. What happened in this condition? In cleavage polyembryony, the zygote proembryo split or the cleave or the breakdown into the many parts or unit. Now this each part is developed into the independent embryo, and such a condition is known as the cleavage polyembryony condition. Adventive polyembryo condition is occur inside the citrus genus. Now this is all about there is a polyembryony condition. Now this polyembryony condition increases the chances of survival of the plant, and the adventive polyembryony also beneficial into the horticulture, and this is all about there is a polyembryony.